Oh, I'm getting orders. Let me see. Oh my goodness, a $10 order. 2 $10 orders. I think I might need help with this one. No, I got this. $10 order, another one, another $10 order. Oh my goodness, what a way to make money. This is crazy, $10 in 5 minutes. You have got to check this out. Alright guys, I know that you love to see the make money from home videos, and so what we're going to talk about today is one of those methods, okay? So we're going to talk about how you can actually create yourself a full-time business from home using your computer and even your phone, okay? So we're going to talk about 2 sites that you can use, and at the end I'm going to give you a bonus tip so that you can use an extra site to help make you extra money right from home. This is a tip you don't want to miss. There's going to be an absolute bunch of information in this video, and I know that you're going to love it, okay? So stay with me and stay with me to the end so that you don't miss any single piece of information that you can use to start your own business today. We actually broke 100 subscribers. You're like, you sell some stuff.
Build the income into affiliate marketing.
So we're going to hop onto the computer. I'm going to show you exactly what sites you need to use and the things that we're going to be doing. It's going to help you make your online business and get started right away. So this is our channel. We do everything to do with making money online. We do affiliate marketing, mindset, motivation, and how you can create yourself your own online business. If that is something that you're interested in and you would like to see more videos about that, then do go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so we can let you know every single time we come out with a new video. I'm going to get straight into what we're here for today, and that is how you can create yourself a business online using these 2 websites and a third as a bonus to start today and get yourself on your way to making yourself some money online. So the first site we're going to talk about is Photopea, okay? It's pho.to, and to get there in Google you're just going to search makeup photo and it's going to bring you here. So this is the first page that you're going to see when you log on to Makeup Photo, alright? What this does is it allows you to instantly retouch photos. So I'm going to take you through it. I'm going to show you an example of how we're going to do that. So this is where you would be, face retouch right here, alright? And the way that you do this, the way you enhance your photo is you just click here on this button and then upload, and then you're going to choose the picture you want, hit upload, and it's going to upload that picture for you. Now we're using a picture they provide, and as you can see there, you upload it and it automatically does it. And if you want to see the original, that's the original, and that's when it's worked. Now if you didn't want it so edited, it's really easy to change it. You can take wrinkle smoothing off, hit apply, and it starts working again, and you can see the wrinkles come back. So it's taken away a lot of his freckles here on his forehead. He had 2 blemishes here on his chin, and it's taken that away, and it's just made the colour of the picture look a whole lot nicer. So that is all you have to do. Really, really simple. So you're probably wondering, alright, that's a great way to smooth out your photographs, to touch up photographs, but what am I going to do with them? Well, I'm going to show you exactly what you do with them right now. So what you're going to do is go to a site called People Per Hour, alright? It's a site similar to Fiverr and Upwork, except this site here is less searched. That doesn't mean it's not searched at all. What it means is you've got less competition. Okay, so most people when they do this, they'll go and create a gig on Fiverr or they'll go and create a gig on Upwork. That is great for you because that means you've got less competition offering these services. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go in and you're going to go into sign up, and you're going to have to answer a few questions. It's really simple to do. Just answer them all and then you wait to be approved. Once you're approved, you come in, you start posting your jobs, you tell them what sort of work that you want to be offering, and then you come in, you create your gigs inside here. As you can see on here, some of them start here from $10, $15, and all the way up to like $25, and you'll find even more, $65 here to retouch photographs, all right? There's a lot more money to be made on People Per Hour than there is to be made on, say, Fiverr or Upwork. So you're going to go in and you're going to create your gigs in here and you're going to choose your price. Now, if you want to start off at $10 so that you get more opportunity to get work, then start off at $10. But as you get better at what you're doing, then you go and you increase your price, you can offer more services, etc., etc. As you saw before, it takes under 10 seconds for that photograph to be loaded and for it to be touched up, all right? So it is really easy to get that photograph in and within 5 minutes have your photograph in here touched up and sent back to your customer, and you earn $10 doing it. That it's such a simple way for you to make yourself extra money at home and actually create more than just a side income, and actually create yourself a business going through, and you can build yourself a brand on people per hour. Now, I did say that I would have a little tip for you at the end. This is another site that you can use to add a little extra to your skill set, if you like, and compete with people on this site that offer Photoshop as a design engine, all right? There's a lot of people on there that say, I use Photoshop, or all work's done in Photoshop. Photoshop's quite an expensive tool to buy, but you can get a free software that competes on the same level as Photoshop. Literally all the tools are the same, everything. When you open this up, if you've ever seen Photoshop, it is pretty much identical, and you can do extra things in there. So say for instance you wanted to get rid of all these freckles here, you could go into this software and just quickly remove all of these with one simple tool. So I'm going to show you that right now, and it's called Photopea. So this is Photopea, and in order to use Photopea, I don't know how many of you have seen what Photoshop looks like on the inside, but it looks very similar to this. All the tools are the same. You've got your lasso tool here. The magnetic lasso is a really good way to remove backgrounds. And then you've got your spot healing brush. So this is the brush we can use to take off those extra spots on the man's face or blemishes that maybe retouch won't touch. So there's lots of different tools in here that you can experiment and play with to expand the services that you can offer on people per hour. That's it, you know, it's that simple. That's all you've got to do. It's literally retouch a portrait and sell it on people per hour. Now there's slightly more to photo retouch than just that section. So if you decided further down the line you wanted to add a bit of fun to your services, there's fun effects here as well, and you can change photographs into these kind of photographs here. You can make somebody into a pencil drawing, and as you go down here you can see here you can add artwork like this. You can do something quirky like this, putting a hand on the face, or drawing versus photography. And then you've got sketches, photo props where you can add things to the photograph. All right, sketches, paintings, you can make somebody a magazine cover. Maybe somebody wants to do something really exciting for somebody's birthday. You can offer things like that as well, and much, much more. You can come and look for yourselves and just scroll down here and look at all the services that this site has to offer. And if you noticed when I first did this, at no point did I sign in or sign up to use the face retouch. All sorts of different effects and opportunities to make more money by offering broader skills and services to people per hour and the people that will want to purchase your gigs. The services that you can offer are endless when you use these simple tools, and the best bit about it is completely free. So you can get started right away today. As long as you have a PC or a phone, you can use this app on your phone, available on the App Store or get it on Google Play. All right, so you can do all of this on your phone or tablet, and it's as simple as downloading the app. I'm going to give you a very quick demonstration of how quick it is to use Photopea. So let's open. I'm going to use the same guy we had before so you can see what you need to do here. So we're going to literally just use the spot healing brush right here. So that we just want to do small areas. Up here you can change the size of your brush, the hardness of your brush, and let's say we want to go soft right there, but we want a bigger size, right, like that. I can click here and then it works and takes it away. I just want to get in a bit closer right here around his blemishes, and then I'm going to go back to my spot healing brush. So that's the right size there. So we're just going to click on that and it takes it away. Click on that, takes it away. All right, you can do on the cheeks here and just do the odd one and just click on there. You don't want to take everything away. You want to try and keep some freckles because it looks more natural, but look how easy that is. So as you can see, just from me doing that here, you can just go ahead and remove the extra bits if the first tool wasn't powerful enough for you. But unless you've got somebody that really has a lot of work to be done, it is going to be taking you, like, even this, you can see how quick it is, 5-10 minutes, and you're going to be making your money. If you use the first tool in under 5 minutes, you're going to be able to return an order to the customer and you can make $10. All right, so really, really powerful way to make yourself some online money. But as with anything like this, what you are doing is you are trading your time for money. If that's something that you're trying to avoid doing, if you want to get away from that and you want to start making money where you can still make it where you sleep, you can go on holiday and you can make money, if you want to be out with the family and you're still making money, if you want to be able to make a passive income, then check out the link in the description below and find out what it is that I'm doing, what me and Ryan are doing, exactly how you can get started with your own online business today, doing the same thing that we do and we thoroughly enjoy, by the way. Like I said, go and check out the link in the description below. Sometimes it's really easy to get stuck in the whole 9-to-5 rat race where you think that that's what you have to do. You're taught that you go to school, get good grades, and then you finish school, you get a job, you work for somebody else, you mind somebody else's business, but that really isn't the way it has to be. You really can take control of your own life. You really can change the direction that you're heading. And if that's not where you want to be going, the way you're going right now, if that's not where you want to go, then change it. And we can help you. We can show you exactly how we are doing it right now, how we're changing our lives. This is a really good way, like I said, to make yourself some money online and even build a business from it, but you are always going to be trading that time for that money. If that's what you're looking for, then great, and I'm so glad you found the video, and I really, really hope you enjoy the method. But if it's not, if you're more like me, if you want to earn a passive income, then check out that link below, and it's going to show you exactly what you need to do to get started, how we got started, and so that you can start your journey towards your dream. That's everything for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, tap on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos when we come out with them. Leave a comment down below and let us know what you thought, because we really, really do value your opinion. So for now, guys, that's all. Enjoy the rest of your day, and as always, make it epic, and I'll see you on the next video.